Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one I can put like this because s that is about s to the power of 1 and we have s. Next, s will multiply by 2lnx and number 1. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of s squared. And now I will show you the technique how to do first derivative. So we put ln for the both sides. Next, we have the formula in here. ln a to the power of b equals to b ln a. And now we need to transform this one into this one. And we have s squared ln s. Now we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of ln u, we have u first derivative over u. This one we do s squared multiply by ln s. Later that we do first derivative of ln s. So this one we have 2s. The next one we have 1 over s and s squared. Now we can simplify like this and we can put u go to the right. And we know that u that is about this one. So the u equals to this one. Now we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1 that is from here. So I will put number 1 going here and here. So we have u equals to number 1 when s equals to number 2. So I will put number 2 going here and here. So we have u equals to number 16. So number 1 we keep number 1, number 2 we change by 16. This one we change by the u. And now we have u and we put the bounds from number 1 to number 16. And now we have the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.